Hey everybody, welcome to the Brinks Cooking Truck. And guess where I'm at? I am on I-80 West at the world largest truck stop. Ooh, I haven't played this in a while. I call it draft, but maybe somebody call it chess. Yeah, I used to play this a lot. But yeah, I call it draft. Yeah, I'm just taking a sneak peek inside the world largest truck stop. I'm heading to Ames to drop a load tomorrow. So I'm just taking my, here is where my clock run out. I'm taking my 10-hour break right here. It's like they got a food court inside here. Got Taco Bell's, Wendy's, Pizza Hut, Orange Julius, coffee. Here they got a large food court. Here the restroom that I just came to. So now I'm heading back down. This is a huge place. Okay, let me touch one of these for the first time in my life. Yeah, I only seen this in the cowboys movies. uh, First time actually. Yeah, I've seen it already, but first time actually touching one. These are the real outlaw shoes. Watching Walker Texas Ranger. Why is this guy sitting here not doing anything? He just sitting looking, huh? Get up and go work. Go work, son, go and work. You can't just sit in like that. Sitting and not moving. What the hell is up there? I didn't even know that they got a place upstairs, barbershop stuff. Guess I'll have to check it out. Got a truck on display over there. They got some mattresses here as well. I guess these mattresses look smaller than the one I got in my bed. For some reason my mattress look wider than those. lot of stuff in here. Whole lot of stuff. What the hell is this? I have no clue what is that. I guess it's maybe this something that's going on a flatbed. All these lights. If I could choose one thing in here, it would be this. This is what I would choose to protect me from these deers. Yeah, I would definitely choose this. This one or this one to protect me from the deers. Or even this one. So I wouldn't be scared of the deers anymore. Guess this is for those big Peterbilt and those big Kenworths who want to see the price. Yeah. For those big Kenworths. See, we got some more rails right here. These are for those 1990s Peterbilt. Want to see the price? I thought they were more expensive. Not bad. Look what's interesting. Never seen these before. Stylish steering wheels. Stylish. Don't know if this is the price. I'm not sure. I don't think so. They got a lot of stuff in here. This is a Chucking Mall. They got stuff more than what I even know about. I'm only seeing some of these stuff. I don't even, not even sure what they are. Nothing for truck is cheap. It's not like a car where you spend truck parts is not like a car where you just spend a couple dollars.
So if the loan comes through,
When it comes to trucks, parts are expensive. Very huge inside here though. So I'm gonna go upstairs and see what's going on up there. Whew. Man, this is what you call a mug. That's for coffee. For real coffee lovers. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what's up here. Doesn't look like anyone is up here. Okay, showers and stuff. Okay, I'm just reading signs. Didn't even know they got dentists and at truck stop. Signage and call. Okay. Yes, laundry room in there. Shower theater. Restroom. It's very huge. Theater driver's lounge up here. This place is too big. Yeah. Nice lookout. Yeah, I'm giving you guys a full tour. Got a nice lookout down here. Yeah, this is the shopping mall. See how huge it is. You can see outside where the truck's at. Okay, let's go back outside now. Okay, let's go outside now. One search for April. It's a huge truck stop. I don't remember where I park at. But I know I park at one of the fuel. Park at one of the fuel stop, fuel aisle. I would love to really see if this place can really full. I know it must be some time where it's full, where maybe you have to be searching for trucks for a park. But it's really huge bridge out here. I remember the first time I came here with my trainer and we parked and I went inside, used the bathroom, and I couldn't find where I parked at. And it took me about 25 minutes to find my truck. When I went inside, my trainer laughed the hell, said, "Well, I know you were lost. From the time I see how long you take to get here, you know that I was lost." And then you knew that I was lost. Yeah, let's show you guys around here. I guess up there is one of the entrance. Oh, yeah, I saw the fuel aisle, so I know that's where I park. Look at parking. Lots of empty space. Come tomorrow evening, you won't see so much parking here. I know I parked where I could see the fuel aisle, so I know I'm on this front row. Let's go walk around this side where I can show you guys how huge this place is. Yeah, I'm gonna chill now. And worst thing, I've been waking up like I've been since the past 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, I've been running like 1 p.m. each, 1 p.m., 1 a.m. and normally shut down pretty early. But now this load that I got, I can drop it until 8 a.m. in between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. tomorrow. So now maybe I can start 1 a.m. tomorrow later, and I'm not too far away, so I might start like maybe 4. Yeah, see I'm circling around. And this is almost past April, and this is April. So guys, this is a tour of the world's largest truck stop. Just stay tuned for more videos coming up from the Brinks cooking shop. And this is April. If you look over there, you still goes all the way over there. So it's very. This is a huge place. They need a truck stop like this in every city. Not even every state, but every city. They need a truck stop like this in every city.